Hello, welcome to my channel today. This is the King Tutor. The first time of joining us, ensure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Now, this is the number 6 question, okay, of the Waec 2023 accounting question. I said the following were extracted from the books of Idum Republic for the year ended 31st December 2021. Now we have received from oil and gas 522,500,000. Import duties $250 million. Export duties $118,500,000. Received from agriculture $60 million. Permit and license fees $92 million. Personal and other income taxes $230,500,000. Miscellaneous income $100,500,000. Additional information: the country is structured into 6 regions/states, which is A, B, C, D, E, and F. The population of each of the region or states are A 400,000, B 350, C 250,000, D 100,000, E 300,000, and F 200,000. Revenue is shared 30% to the federal/state central government, 10% to education trust fund, and 60% to be shared by the regions or states on the basis of population. We are required to compute A, to revenue for the country for the year 2021, B, revenue for the federal/central government, and C, revenue for the regions, states collectively and individually for the year 2021. Okay, now this question will be seen as regards the public sector. Okay, so the first thing they ask us is the total revenue for the country for the year 2021. So that is what we are going to prepare now. So it will now be total revenue for the country for 2021. Okay, so we're going to add, these are the revenues as per se. Okay, so we're going to add it. So it will now be received from oil and gas 522,500. The next one, import duties 250. The next one, export duties 180,500,000. The next one, receipts from agriculture at 60 million. The next one, permits and license fees 92 million. The next one, personal and other income taxes 230,500,000. And miscellaneous, that's income from other sources, that's 100,500,000. Okay, so if you add up all this using my calculator, it will give me $1,436,000,000. Okay, that is what it will give me, $1,436,000,000. Okay, so that is that for A. Then for B, it said revenue for the federal/central government for the year. Now, remember, in the third information they give, they say revenue shared 30% to the federal or central government. Okay, so it will now be 30% of the total income. So B, which is revenue for the federal government for 2021. So they said it's normally 30%. So it will now be 30 over 100 times 1,436,000,000. Okay. So from my calculator, 30% of this will give us 430,800,000 dollars. That will be the revenue for the federal government. And that's for B. Now for C, it will be it's a revenue for the regions slash states collectively and individually. Okay, revenues for the regions collectively and individually. So we're gonna do it collectively. How much is entitled to them, and also do it individually. Okay, so we're gonna do for collectively first, and collectively, you see here they said 60% will be shared by the region. Okay, so that's collectively 60% to the region on this total revenue. So it will not be for C, said revenues for the region slash the states. So we're gonna have collectively first. Collectively first. Collectively said is 60%. Okay, so it will be 60% of the income. So it will now be 60 over 100 times 1,436,000,000. Okay, so from my calculator, it will now be 861,600,000. So this is what will be shared collectively. Okay, so remember they said collectively and individually. So this is what will be shared collectively. Okay, so the next one is individually. Individually. Now, remember why we're answering this. They said the revenue should be shared, 60% to be shared by the region on the basis of population. So if they are sharing this individually, it will be on the basis of population. And they've given us a population. They say the population of each of the regional states are A, 400,000, B, 350, C, 250, D, 100, E, 300, and F, 200. So it will be based on the population. So we're going to get the total population first. Okay, that's what we're going to do. We're going to get the total population first. So from this now, if we have for A, the population is 400,000. For B, it is 350. For C, it is 250. For D, it is 100. For E, 300. And for F, 200,000. Okay, so I will add all this now. 400 plus 350, that's 750 plus 250, that's 1,000,000, 1,100,000, 1,400,000, 1,600,000. Okay, so the total population sum up to 1,600,000. Okay, that is the population. Okay, now let's now start sharing their money. So we're going to prepare it now individually based on the population. Okay, so for the first one, for A, now A's population is 400,000 divided by the total population, which is 1,600,000 people times the amount to be shared collectively. Amount is 861,600,000. Okay, so this will give us, from my calculator, 250,400,000. Okay, 250,400,000. That's for A. For B, B's population, which is 350,000 over 1,600,000 times, so 350,000 divided by 1,600,000 times 861,600,000. So from my calculator, this will give us 188,475,000. Okay, that's for B. Now for C, population is 250,000 divided by total population 1,600,000 times, okay, so 250,000 divided by this times 861,600,000. From my calculator, it will give me 134,625,000. Okay, so that's for C. And the next one for D, population is 100,000. So it will be 100,000 divided by 1,600,000 times 861,600. Okay, and from my calculator, this will give us 53,850,000. Okay, 53,850,000. That is 40. Y will now have E, so I have 300,000 divided by 1,600,000 times 861,600,000. Okay, so this will give us 161,550,000 from my calculator. That's for E. Y for F, which is the last. For F, we'll have population as 200,000 divided by 1,600,000 total population times the income is 61,600. Okay, so for my calculator, this will give us 107,700,000, 107,700,000. So this is their income, their revenue individually. Okay, this is it collectively. So that's how to prepare. So that's the sixth question of Waec 2023. Okay, so let's see the next one. Ensure you like this video, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, and let's see the next one.